What could you do if you had more time? Could you tackle that big project that you've been putting off? Could you get trained on a new piece of equipment or on a new modality? Could you build your professional skills to prepare for increased responsibilities or a bigger role in your organization? PartsSource's depot repair solution covers hundreds of models across all major manufacturers. It is designed to ensure equipment uptime while still allowing you to focus on your most important, high-value tasks, instead of those time-consuming, complex, low-value, or repetitive repairs that sidetrack your workday. I mean, sure, you can fix 50 infusion pumps, but should you? Repairs are ordered directly from the PartsSource marketplace, the same way you order parts and services today. Flat rate depot repair is offered for hundreds of models. For those that don't have flat rate pricing available, you can request a quote in under 60 seconds with just a few clicks. And with our national network of service providers, you no longer need to waste time calling around from place to place. With our patented precision procurement process, you can be sure that your equipment is going to be repaired quickly and correctly by the best service provider in our network. Many PartsSource depot repairs come with a comprehensive hassle-free warranty. When we say our warranty is comprehensive and hassle-free, we mean it. Even if your equipment runs into a completely different issue, if it's still under the warranty period, we'll cover it, even case parts and accessories on some models. Because PartsSource is your single source of contact for every repair, all your billing and tracking information is located in one place. Our easy-to-use visual repair tracker gives you unprecedented insight into the repair process. You'll always know exactly where your equipment is and when you can expect it to be back in service. I know you're thinking, sure, this all sounds great, but what about price? PartsSource's depot repair solution has no hidden fees and no tiered pricing. All depot repair orders include prepaid shipping, all required parts, and a quick turnaround. With over 5,000 leading hospitals as our customers, we get better volume discounts and offer better pricing than other repair options. When it comes to patient care, time truly does matter. You have the skills, but limited time. So it's not a question of whether you can repair a piece of equipment in-house, it's if you should. PartsSource Depot Repair reduces costs while assuring uptime, all from the one quality platform you use to maintain the health of all your clinical assets. PartsSource, helping you keep healthcare on.